In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to Google Calendar. Whether you're organizing your upcoming meetings or managing events, ensuring your HubSpot account is synced with your Google Calendar is a powerful way to keep things streamlined and efficient. Let me walk you through the steps to achieve this integration seamlessly. First, you'll need to access your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the settings by clicking on the gear icon you'll find in the main menu. Getting familiar with the settings area is a great way to customize your experience and adjust the functionalities to better suit your needs. Upon reaching the settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand panel. You'll notice a variety of options here, but what you're going to want to do is click on Integrations. Under Integrations, select Connected Apps. This section is essential as it allows you to connect various external platforms with your HubSpot environment. Once inside the Connected Apps area, you should see an option that says Visit App Marketplace. Click on this to proceed. The App Marketplace is a robust resource within HubSpot filled with numerous apps and integrations that can enhance and expand the functionality of your account. For our purposes today, we're focusing specifically on integrating with Google Calendar. Within the Marketplace, you'll find a search bar, which makes it quick and easy to locate just what you're looking for. Type Google Calendar into the search bar and hit enter. You might see several results, but we need the specific integration that links your HubSpot account directly with Google Calendar. After locating Google Calendar, you'll see an option to Connect App. Simply click on Connect App to start linking your HubSpot with your Google Calendar. This step is crucial as it facilitates the bridge between both platforms. Now, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account if you're not already logged in. Make sure to use the Google account that you want your events and schedules to sync with. Once you enter your credentials, you'll receive a prompt to authorize HubSpot to access your Google Calendar. Granting this authorization is necessary to complete the connection. And there you have it. Your HubSpot and Google Calendar are now linked, allowing you to manage events, meeting schedules, and more efficiently. This integration will automatically sync your activities, ensuring you have real-time updates across both platforms. If you ever need to review or change this setup, you can always return to the Connected Apps area in HubSpot settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for setting up your HubSpot and Google Calendar integration. Feel free to reach out with any questions or comments, and make sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks on optimizing your HubSpot experience.